If you're struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours, or you're worried about the new 8,000 watch hours requirement, or you've not even gotten up to 1,000 subscribers, then I need you to pay attention to this video, because there's another platform that can actually pay you. Yes, another platform like YouTube, where you can start earning immediately without 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or even any other new requirements. And this platform can literally allow you to upload the same video you have on your YouTube channel. All you need to do is to download your YouTube videos one after the other and then upload them on the days you choose to upload on the platform. And once you hit $50 on your content, you are going to get paid. Yes, it is not even like YouTube that you need to get up to $100 before you can withdraw. This platform literally pays you when you just hit $50. Guys, imagine a platform that allows you to start earning without 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, 8,000 watch hours, and still allow you to withdraw with a minimum threshold of just $50. This is amazing, guys. And the name of this platform is Rumble. Yes, Rumble. So if you're a small YouTuber, a content creator, or you're someone who has actually been struggling to meet the YouTube requirement of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and now worried that 8,000 watch hours is almost impossible, then this platform is something I think you should consider. And the interesting part is that you do not necessarily have to abandon YouTube. You can keep creating content on YouTube while still uploading same content on the Rumble platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you what Rumble is, how Rumble monetization works, how you can create an account, and some important things you need to understand before you get started. So I'll employ you to watch this video to the very end and don't skip too much. You can skip, but don't skip too much so you don't miss so much information. Now let's start with the basics. What exactly is Rumble? Rumble is a video sharing platform just like YouTube. People upload videos to Rumble. People watch videos in Rumble, and creators can monetize their content there for free. So think about this for a moment. If you already spend hours uploading videos on YouTube, why post it only in one place? Instead of allowing that video to only sit on YouTube, you can potentially upload it on another platform and then give that content another opportunity to get more viewers and generate more revenue for you. And this is literally one of the reasons I wanted to talk about Rumble, because one of the biggest frustrations a lot of small channels have about YouTube is the monetization requirement. You're trying to get 1,000 subscribers, you're trying to get 4,000 watch hours, and now they are lifting it to 8,000 watch hours. And sometimes you can spend months and years, but Rumble works differently. You do not have to wait until you hit 1,000 subscribers, 8,000 watch hours before you can start exploring monetization on the platform. And guys, creating accounts is free. Now, I need you to understand something. The fact that you can monetize your account on Rumble without hitting 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours does not mean that when you create your account today, the money will start rolling in immediately. Even on YouTube, when you get monetized, it doesn't start rolling immediately. You still have to meet some requirements for you to even withdraw your money. You still need to create content. You still need to get views. You still need people to keep watching your videos, just like on YouTube. And you still need to even understand how the platform works. And that is why videos like this exist. Now, let me explain how you can get started. I'm going to head over to my screen right now and walk you through step by step on how you can actually create an account on Rumble. Without much being said, let's head over to my screen, guys. For you to create an account on Rumble, you need to go to open your Chrome browser. Okay. Open your Chrome browser and search for Rumble. Okay, it's best to, they actually have an app, but it's best to always go through the website so you can see everything. Check Rumble. Click on rumble.com. Okay. When you click on rumble.com, it's going to land you to this interface. Okay. And then if you look above here, you're going to see sign up. Click on sign up. So one thing about Rumble is that the sign up process is literally very simple and straightforward. So you're expected to input an email here. Input an email. Input your birth month. Okay. And then your birth year. Okay, and then click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to land you to this interface, and then you're required to verify you are a human. Just tap on this, check this box right here. Okay, check the box and then wait for it to verify. And then it's going to land you to this interface where you need to give some basic information about yourself. It says, tell us about yourself. So enter your account details to get started. Okay, input your username. Now, your username is not supposed to have a space, so just write a name and maybe a number or something without a space. Select your gender, select your country, and then check on the box where you have by creating an account with Rumble and checking this box, you're providing your written agreement with and consent to Rumble's website. Okay, just click on it and then click on next. Once you finish on next and you are done filling your sign up details, you're going to be landed to this interface. So this is what Rumble looks like. This is the Rumble homepage. This is what it looks like. You can see people posting videos and it's just like YouTube homepage. Okay, you can go on and you can actually follow people, subscribe to their channel and everything. Now let me walk you around the app. If you click on this icon right here, okay, you're going to be welcome to this interface right now. Remember, you're expected to verify your account. Without verifying your account, you can actually not start creating content here. You cannot create content here and you cannot earn from your content, okay? So you have to verify your accounts. And verification process is actually straightforward. I'm going to be linking a video in the description box on how you can verify your Rumble account and get started successfully. Okay, so if you're trying to verify your account and it is not working, that process in that video is going to make it very seamless. Okay, so once you come here after registration, just ensure you click on this, follow this process to set up your account. Okay, so click on account settings. Now you see this dashboard here where you're going to see your real-time earnings and everything. Okay, my content, Rumble Studio. You click on account settings. So once you click on account setting, it's going to carry your full name and everything. Okay, now Rumble actually pays through PayPal. Okay, don't worry. I also have a video that will teach you how to create a PayPal account, especially if you're in Africa. Okay, just drop at the comment section if you want all of these videos, guys. So click on Rumble Studio, just like you have YouTube Studio that you can also upload your video and everything. You also have that on Rumble where you can also check your analytics. Okay, then for you to start creating content, click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to bring you to this interface. Click on upload video. You can also go live on Rumble as well, just basically like YouTube. Just try and explore the app. You're going to be getting every necessary information. Click on select files. Okay, remember you cannot actually do all of this until you've verified your account. Okay, let's assume I want to upload this video right here. Okay, now you're going to wait for it to load up to 100%, right? So guys, our video is 100% uploaded and you can see it right here. This video is about how to upload YouTube Shorts, or newest method to upload YouTube Shorts for you to get more views. Okay, so you're going to be imputing your video details, impute your title. So I'm going to impute a title. Okay, new method to upload YouTube Shorts to go viral and get more views. Now you're going to impute your description, just like basically everything you do on YouTube. Okay, you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a good description. Okay, so I'm just going to exactly the same. See, this thing is not hard. You can give it exactly the same title and everything, the SEO package you used for your videos on YouTube. Just copy and paste. I can say, want to know how to upload YouTube Shorts to go viral in this YouTube Shorts tutorial. I will be YouTube Shorts hashtag Rumble verification. These hashtags, I'm actually putting a hashtags that will make this video to be more visible. So I'm done with that. Okay. Come down here, add your category. Okay. Click on primary category. Select what your video is all about. So my video is how to. Scroll down, secondary category. Just leave the secondary category. Because it doesn't apply to you. And then you are also going to pick a thumbnail. So I'm going to click on upload thumbnail and pick the same thumbnail I used for the same video. Okay. Custom thumbnail one. For best result, choose a thumbnail that is at least. Do not show this again. Continue. Okay. So I have a thumbnail I already used for that particular video. I'm going to pick it again. Okay. Yes, I've imputed it. And all checks. Scroll down. You can add your tags. Okay. Add your tags, hashtags. How to upload YouTube shorts to get more views. How to verify Rumble account. How to make money on Rumble. How to withdraw on Rumble. I'm basically using tags that people are actively searching for. How to grow a Rumble account. Okay. How to upload videos on Rumble. Okay. Once I'm done imputing all of this, now they say enter a comma after each tag. Please ensure you enter a comma after each of your tags. Okay, you can see I'm imputing comma after each of my tags. Okay. Then after that, click on next. Click on next. Now it's going to bring you to this interface. It says, would you like to display art on your content? Why not? Monetize non-exclusive similar to YouTube. Yes. Okay, visibility. Ensure it is public. Status and alert. How do you want to promote this video? Click on it. Let's see what they have there. Feature video at the top of your send mobile push notifications to. Click on send mobile push notifications and also feature it. Terms and conditions. In order to publish content on Rumble, you need to agree to our terms. Click on you have not signed an exclusive agreement with any other party. You have read and accepted the Rumble. Just check on those two things and then click on finish. Now it says upload finished successfully. So guys, I've just taught you how to upload a video. So guys, you can see how seamless that was. Simple and straightforward. Okay, now for you to actually upload your first video, you need to verify your account. Like I said from the beginning, I have a video on my channel where I talked about how to verify your Rumble account and how to fix any issue you have. Okay, so check out that video. I'm going to be leaving the link to the video in the description box, and if I don't remember, do well to drop at the comment section and I'm going to send the link to you. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I have new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.